So when it comes to merchandising or affiliate marketing, these are all the things to worry about down the road when our audience hopefully grows in a few years. Then, of course, those things make sense. I mean, none of these additional supplementary income leads will, perform or make sense when you have only 100 subscribers like me. So to grow from 100 subscribers to 1,000 subscribers, of course, is the most difficult path. Like in every endeavor, like in every business, the first $1,000 you make is the most difficult to make. The first profitable year is the most difficult. It's always hard to make that first boost when a skyrocket, right? When Elon Musk sends SpaceX rockets to the space, that first acceleration is where they burn the most fuel, because a huge heavy thing is just mobile, which is like our YouTube channel starting from scratch with zero audience, and you have to take it off the ground with such a competition from the air to get it on the ground, such as the YouTube channel, such a competitive space, millions of channels opening every day, and you're out there on your own trying to create a content, and you don't know anything about filming, anything about what a content should be like and what you should talk about. But there's something in you that motivates you to start the channel. Like me, it was just the fact that I needed to share with you my feelings, actually, so that was my motivation. I have no idea where this whole experience will go. I guess we'll see together where it all goes. But that was the motivation, just to be able to share with someone my feelings, my sadness, my disease, my worries, my mother, my moving to the countryside, and how I feel like a fish out of water because I've never held a screwdriver, always worked in front of the computer as a white collar in a telecom company or some agencies, So we'll see together where that goes. But from what I'm trying to learn these days, the fastest way to grow your audience is to find a very niche, very specific topic to focus on, such as, for example, outdoor knives, which I want to talk about someday because I bought many. Outdoor knives, which knife is best for wood scraping, do the review of Scandinavian knives versus Turkish knives, collabs with other knife channels, knife reviewing channels. It's a very niche topic. Or how to become a YouTuber. It's a very concentrated, very niche topic. You talk about, hi guys, are you new in YouTube like me? Let me share with you what I am learning. And then you share everything you know about how to become a YouTuber. That's very specific, very niche. And then when you make your title searchable, when you put those keywords in your title, it's like how to start on YouTube for beginners. When somebody searches on YouTube for those things, that kind of question, YouTube will show your channel. If there are not many more established competitors with the same exact title, of course they will go higher in the page ranking, just like Google. YouTube has similar algorithm. But your content will be out there, it will be searchable content, it will answer a specific question, how to get started on YouTube, and put a nice thumbnail with like you on a nice face, Oh, my things hurt still, so So that will be a starting point. And then what happens, I guess, is wow, that was a thunder. I guess the rain will get stronger. And what will happen is that eventually you will find your niche, you will find more searchable content, and you will suddenly have an audience which likes that topic. So not only they will watch your videos, but they will also check out your channel. When they see that your channel is consistent on those topics, and you have nice playlists and you have nice keywords on all the topics, they're going to subscribe, because they're going to say, okay, I want to learn how to start a YouTube channel. I'm a beginner, and this guy is obviously a beginner himself, but he's teaching in a language that a 5-year-old would understand. So I'm just going to subscribe to his channel so that I can keep on watching it. Now, if you have a lifestyle channel like I have for the moment, then it's much more difficult to grow. It's much more difficult for the YouTube algorithm to try to make sense of your content and try to understand, when can I promote this guy, on which question, what should I show Tugi's country life when people search for what. That's very vague, which means that YouTube won't be able to show it to many people or any people, which means my audience will remain at my 100 friends and family who have only subscribed just because I asked them to, and who will not be watching my content for a long time. Everybody has other things to do, including your friends and family. So the right way to grow, I guess, for me also, for myself, to find a niche. So far, as I'm trying to learn about YouTube, that seems like an interesting niche, because even though I bought a ton of camping equipment, tents and sleeping pads and all those things, I did not even once do camping in my life, and I have not started to do camping. And with all these ticks and insects out there, I just can't see myself doing camping this summer. I'm sorry, guys. Maybe in September, when there are less insects and flies and ticks. I'm just really afraid of those creatures. But maybe if I can start in the colder months, maybe if I get used to it, maybe next summer I can do it. I don't know. Otherwise, what else? Yeah, I mean, I will start using, talking more in depth about YouTube. I will do contents. I will test this out. I will keep it in this channel, and I will title as "How to Get Started on YouTube," and do only a content on that without talking about other things, if I can manage it. Because as you know, I like to jump from subject to subject. If I can manage to do that, and if those videos start getting an audience, viewers, even though they will not subscribe, because they will look at my channel and they will see, my God, this guy is all over the place. He talks about depression, he talks about moving to country, he talks about, his feelings, his mom's disease and all these things. So nobody will care about that. Only when they know me as a person, I guess, when you know me and you become part of the story, then you will care about what happens in my life. Like I care about what happens in Ali Abdal's life, Catherine Manning's life, in Matta Violo's life, Peter McKinnon and Matty, sure. But Catherine Manning, I think because she does vlog style, I'm much more related to her. And also because she's extremely attractive, so her baby blues are so much more beautiful to look at when I'm listening to a YouTube content than, a guy. yeah, Sunny also comes to that, goes to that page. Uh, she's in Canada. She's also beautiful, and she teaches you about YouTube. I think she will also move to more vlog style. So we'll see what happens. But I don't just want to talk about YouTube though, because if I only talk about YouTube, it's sort of like repetitive, and it's there's not too much there to talk about. I mean, 50 videos you can talk about setting up the channel, setting up your thumbnail and description, and choosing the right gear, and I mean, there's only so much you can tell about starting a YouTube channel. It's a limited content, so just to do a channel on that, it's crazy. What are you gonna do? You're gonna do 50 videos and then start repeating yourself, or not do any more new videos and try to capitalize on the evergreen content? I guess that's one strategy. I don't know. I honestly don't know for the moment enough about YouTube as to know where to go, how to point myself. But I'm sure time will show, and hopefully it will be good. So that's about it for today. I'll see ya when I'll see ya. Bye.